Let's talk about the technique shading that we use here at Crafty Little You. You're going to paint everything first, and then you're going to grab a clean angled brush and make sure the brush has really nice clean edges. You're going to dip it into water, and then you're going to dab each side of that angled brush onto a paper towel because you don't want the angled brush to be super wet. Then you're going to take the tip of the angled brush and dip it into the paint color of your choice. And you'll take that tip of the angled brush and go along those lasered engravings on the product. If you feel like you have too much of a dark color on there, feel free to dip it back into the water, dab that brush onto the paper towel, and go along where that paint is that you think is too thick. And this will help move and blend the paint out so you have a beautiful shaded look.